Hi Bobcats, this is Miss Lee, and today's video lesson is on triangle side angle relationships. Please make sure that you're taking good notes as you watch the video. Okay, important information to know. In a triangle, the largest angle is opposite the longest side. The smallest angle is opposite the shortest side. And the mid-sized angle is opposite the mid-sized side. I kind of think of it as going to like McDonald's and ordering a value meal. If you get a large value meal, you usually get large fries and a large drink. If you get a small value meal, you get a small French fry and a small drink. So that's kind of how I think of it. So let's just go straight into doing some examples. Okay, the first one says that triangle ABC has side lengths of 7 centimeters, 9 centimeters, and 4.5 centimeters. We're going to use the relationships between the sides and the angles of a triangle to match each side with its correct length. Okay, so we know the angle measures, and we know small is opposite small, large is opposite small, large is opposite large, medium is opposite medium. So I'm going to take a look, and I'm going to start with the small. You can start whichever one you want. I'm going to start with the smallest angle, 30 degrees. The smallest side is going to be opposite, okay, the smallest angle. So what side is opposite angle C? This one's pretty easy to tell. It's going to be this side AB. So if angle C is the smallest angle, side AB is the smallest. Looking at my 7 centimeters, 9 centimeters, and 4.5, the 4.5 centimeters is the smallest. Now, sometimes it can be hard to tell which side is opposite an angle or which angle is opposite a side. So just think about it. The side that is opposite an angle is the side that does not touch, and this is for triangles. It is the side that does not touch the angle. So here's my angle C, right? And you can tell for angle C that segment side BC and line segment side AC touch this angle. Those are the two sides that make up the angle, right? So that means it has to be the other side that is the opposite. Okay, let's do the next one. So 30 is the smallest. I'm going to go the medium. The medium is 50 degrees. Okay, so these are the two sides that touch it, which means its opposite side is over here at BC. And the middle or medium size side length is 7. So this would be 7 centimeters, which means the largest side would be 9 centimeters down here. So think about it. Here's angle B is the largest angle. Side AB, side BC make up that angle. So the opposite is the side that does not touch the angle, which is AC. Okay, not too difficult once you can understand small to small, medium to medium, large to large. Okay, so here we go. For each triangle, list the angles in order of smallest to largest. So we want the smallest to the largest. Here we go. We want angles, not sides. But we have to use the side. So what side is the smallest? 1.3. Which angle is opposite that? Angle S. So angle S is going to be the smallest. Okay, come to the next one. What is the next smallest side? 2.6 right here. What is opposite? Angle R. So R would be the second smallest. And then the largest would be 2.7, side 2.7. And what angle is opposite that? Angle Q. So SRQ. Okay, go ahead and work the next two examples on your own. Come back and check your answers. Okay, let's see how you did. For this second example up here, smallest to largest, the smallest would be angle A, then C, and the largest would be angle B. How'd you do? If you need to, take a look. I color-coded it for you so you could see which sides match each angle. Make sure you're doing opposites, right? And then for the last one, I've actually put the angle measures in here as well as listed them. So 65 degrees is the measure of angle X. 22 degrees is the measure of angle Z because it's opposite the smallest side. And then angle Y measures 94 degrees because it's opposite the largest or the longest side. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to do the opposite. We're going to be given the degrees, okay, the angle measures, and we have to match them with the lengths. Oh, I got ahead of myself, not yet. Okay, again, we have the degrees 60, 40, 80. We want to match them to their angles. Okay, so 640 is the smallest. The smallest side is going to be what? 13. So this is the smallest side. The angle that's opposite is angle C. So angle C would measure 60 degrees. Okay, the middle length is 17.6. Whoops. And the angle opposite that is angle B, so that would be the middle angle measure, which is 60 degrees. And then lastly, you have the largest angle, 80 degrees, is going to be opposite the longest side, so that's angle A, 80 degrees. Okay, now we're going to do the sides. We're going to be given the angle measures, and we have to figure out the sides. Okay, it says list the sides in order of longest to shortest. So we want the longest. The longest, do you see how longest starts with an L? Think of largest, right? The largest angle. Shortest starts with an S. Smallest angle starts with S, right? Okay, so the longest. What is the largest angle? It's angle M. That is going to be the longest. So the side, we were just doing angles. This is the angle that is the largest angle. What side is opposite this angle? Well, it's the side that doesn't touch it. The side that doesn't touch it is this side right here, segment NO. So segment NO, and remember, you have to put that line segment above it. You could do ON, but most people do it alphabetically, NO. That is the longest side. Now let's go to the next one, the middle. The middle angle is this angle right here, angle O. So what side is opposite angle O? This side right here, angle MN. Not angle MN, line segment MN. And then lastly, we have the smallest angle, which is 53. What side is opposite that? Side MO. So segment MO is the shortest. Okay, so go ahead, pause the video, work the next two examples, and then come back and check your answer.